Songs of Revelation. The book of Revelation has always stirred my soul. From the moment I was saved, its pages burned, searing my heart. I read the late great planet Earth. I sat under the teaching of Chuck Missler, where questions were welcomed and wonder was never silenced. Yet a humble servant, Carl Kemp, explained it best. Revelation did something to me. Its thunder, its warnings, its glory awakened emotions that drew me deeper, closer, more devoted to Jesus than any other book of Scripture. We planned to walk the lands of the 7 churches, modern Turkey, ancient echoes still speaking, but resources and age whispered restraint. Joe, oh brother, we will miss your insight and humor. Still, study remained my instinct. Before the journey, I studied the road. And so I returned again to Revelation, to the beginning.
Everything is born here from the heart.
These songs of Revelation are cinematic, dramatic, because this is how these words live in me. I hear the warnings to the 7 churches, as if spoken to my own soul. I cherish the Lord's correction, I tremble at His reproof. More songs are coming, these visions take time, many revisions, many hours to honor a message this holy. And I wrestled with how to show Jesus, young Middle Eastern, walking the earth. Or the Ancient of Days, hair white as wool, eyes like fire. In the end, the context chose for me.
This is a labor of love, offered freely from the heart to God.